Okay, here we go. Are you ready to go for a walk? Okay, up we go, out the door. The GoPro is taking this one with me and probably the dog. So this is going to be interesting. We'll see how this video comes out. I know a couple of my friends are asking, Ricky, why are you doing this? And I thought to myself, I was inspired by a couple other YouTubers. Thank you, Wonder Hussy. You were kind of a good inspiration to me. But most of all, I was thinking about the fact that, I'm in recovery. I've been 15 years sober. And I think being honest with yourself and others was one of the biggest things in my recovery. So I'm being honest with myself and others, and I was just sharing the life of me. I am a transgender woman, and I don't know, but sometimes I feel that we are treated a little different when we're really not. We are women inside. I believe I'm a lady inside, a woman at heart, and that's the way I conduct myself. So, having said that, let's go on about what it's like to be me right now with this bum shoulder, because that's kind of like how I started this video, and that's how I'm going to kind of continue with this one. And Miss Guy is here just dying to get hiking, so I'm going to do a little video about actually how I set up to do this, because I do something a little different than most people do with these trekking sticks. I actually transverse this big canyon behind me all through here, even the top of those hills up there, all the way around. And today I'm going to do video shots, quick video shots with my GoPro on here, and play a little bit of the rhythm that I use a playlist. And if you want to know what the music is, I got a whole lot of songs that kind of run at 128 beats per minute, and that's how I go through 3.1 miles or a 5K. A lot of times I go over that because I go different places, but that's kind of how this video is going to progress, I think. We'll see. It's a work in progress, I guess. So the GoPro is on right now, and oh, help me. Don't just pet me, please. Pet me, I love being petted. Okay, now. Oh my goodness, I got a red flag, and because I put that music on my video, it went private and they took it off the air. So anyway, let's put some regular rhythm to this and march on down the road to bad habits lead to late nights being alone.